Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb, and recently I did a video about the top 5 budget gaming mouse that you can buy right now in Amazon Great India Sale or from Flipkart Big Billion Day Sale. And in that video I said that I'll be doing another video about the budget gaming keyboards below 1000. So this is it. I'm here with that video today. So let's not waste any time and start with the video. Again, same as the last video, I have chosen 5 keyboards and I will be starting from the 5 and I will go on to the top based on my experiences with this keyboard. So coming in at number 5 is a Red Gear Blaze semi-mechanical wired gaming keyboard. So this has a full aluminum body and this has a Windows key lock. Again, the Windows key lock is very important if this is being marketed for as a gaming keyboard, and this has this. On top of that, this has a full aluminum body. And one thing that I like about this is usually at this budget below 1000 you won't get single colored backlighting. Usually all of the keyboards in this list, they have rainbow color and you have no controls over the LEDs of the individual the keys, and as a result you cannot control the color of the light that is coming out, and as a result you cannot have a single color keyboard. If you want that look, a sober look, and not have rainbow colors in front of you. Some people might think it as childish, but so this keyboard comes in as a solution. This one has 3 color backlight. This has I think this has blue, red and green. I think those are the 3 colors that this have. There is another variant of this one which has 7 colors, but that costs more. I think that costs around 1500. But yeah, coming in at 959 right now at the sale. Usually it's more than that, but for the sale it has decreased below 1000. And so this one, another thing good about this is a semi-mechanical keyboard. So what that is, it gives you a little bit of feel of the mechanical keyboard, the clicky feeling, but this does not actually have any Cherry MX or any such mechanical switch. This is actually a membrane keyboard, but that has been designed to give you the feel and to a certain extent the sound of mechanical keyboards. Let me go through that little bit about these features. Wired floating keycaps, floating 45 gram trigger pressure, 3 LED backlight, aluminum structure, so this is going to be a durable. Windows key lock and 19 keys anti-ghosting. That's another important point. Windows key lock and anti-ghosting, and mostly all of the keyboards in my list have these 2 features at least. So now moving on to the next one. At number 4 we have EvoFox Fireblade gaming wired keyboard. I actually use this keyboard as my daily driver in my personal laptop. I love typing on this thing. The build quality of this is not comparable to the last one we saw or the ones that we'll be seeing further. This is made of entirely plastic, and the finishing of this leaves a lot to be desired. There are a lot of discrepancies, there are a lot of finishing problems, there are a lot of paint problems, I would say. It depends on your luck again. Some of the units that I have seen have really bad finish. I have actually returned 2 or 3 units just for that. I got one beforehand, I wanted another one for my friend, and that one actually for 3-4 times that give me really bad finished products. And the one that I had, that I bought initially, that was absolutely fine, but for some reason the quality of this dropped in the coming months. Again, like this has RGB lighting, in the sense rainbow lighting. You cannot change the LEDs of any of the keys here. This is 90 anti-ghosting keys, and you have Windows key lock. So what sets this apart from the other keyboards in this list is that this is TKL. So TKL means 10 keyless. This is smaller than the others. This does not have the number pad at the side, and that this actually looks smart and occupies less space on your desk, and that's the reason I went for that. Another thing, this is actually the cheapest TKL anywhere. cheapest TKL keyboard that you can buy at Amazon, be it gaming, be it non-gaming, usual office. So this is in a good quality. This is the cheapest TKL you can get right now, and the cost of this right now is 898. Usually the usual price of this is around 900 to 1100. So let me show you the features of that. Yeah, 3 rainbow lighting effects. Again, since I have used it, I will tell you this does not have 3 rainbow lighting effects. This just has, you can call it 3 effects, but I will tell you what it is. This just has a single effect which in which all the light just it's on. You cannot do anything. Another lighting effect is it starts with a breathing effect, and you can increase or decrease the intensity of that light, and that's it. No other thing. It's a bit of a marketing gimmick, but yeah, I'll tell you. I told you what it really is. 10 keyless that I already said. Membrane keys, again, like yeah, at this price you cannot expect mechanical, but again this is something of a semi-mechanical. It gives you the feel of a mechanical keyboard. I would say something similar to the red switches. You do not get that click, but I love typing on this. The keys are really elevated, and I really like it. At this price, this is really nice. 12 multimedia keys. On the top of this is the multimedia keys, but again this is standard in all of the keyboards that we'll see. Anti-ghosting keys, 19 and 10 million keystrokes. That's one good thing. So 10 keyless, yeah, basically the things that I just said. Now moving on to number 3 in our list, I give you Cosmic Byte CBGK05. Cosmic Byte actually makes good keyboards, good mechanical keyboards at a budget. I actually have one of their 10 keyless TKL keyboards, mechanical keyboards, and it's really nice. I will make a separate video of that, and subscribe if you want to see that. I have already done the unboxing, and I'll put the link of that above. You can check that out. So I like Cosmic Byte products. The finishing of these are well made. They give good customer care supports. They release their software and keep updating them. Again, the ones that we are seeing here, and none of this has any software to control the lighting, and you cannot expect that at this price point. But their the pricier version, comparatively the mechanical ones, they have the software. So anyways, coming back to this one, again this has aluminum body, this is not plastic. And by aluminum, what they mean is this top plate that you see here, that's aluminum. The back side and everything else will be plastic, even the keycaps. And braided cable, yeah, okay, yeah, the others did not market it as such, but the last two also had braided cable. And yeah, it looks good, as you can see. It's a good, well made, slim aluminum body, multifunction keys, scratch resistant keys, 6 keys anti-ghosting. Okay, the last ones had 19 keys anti-ghosting, so this is one deficiency, I would say. But again, yeah, you can get the others if you want more anti-ghosting keys. Braided cable, yeah. Titan gaming keyboard, that's the name of this. And okay, let's see. Anti-ghosting, scratches, not much has been marketed on this, but yeah, the price of this is 849. So moving on to number 2 in our list is Zebronics Z Transformer K2. This actually is the version 2, the newer version of the Zebronics Z Transformer, recently launched, and this has all the features, and they have improved on that one. But I have kept that at number 2, and I'll tell you the reason when we move on to number 1. So this has gold plated USB connector, 104 keys. This is a full size keyboard. Again, this is metal. The top part of this is metal, and this is very well made actually. The light of this is nice, consistent, and let me show you the back side of this. As you see, this is metal, and even the back side, the sides of these are metal, very well made. The bottom part is plastic, but if you swing it, you can easily knock someone out cold unconscious with this. This is very heavy, very solid, and the cable is braided. Let's see what else. Multicolor retractable slide. Of course, everyone has the 3-level brightness. Again, mostly all the keyboards that we're seeing here have the same features. Multimedia keys, yeah, again, all of these have this Windows enable disable. Yeah, as I was saying, Windows lock key, the same thing, and braided cable. Let's see what other things they have given. Full size premium 104/12 integrated, same thing. 3 brightness level. This does not give any information about anti-ghosting in here, but it does have anti-ghosting to a certain level, not as much as the EvoFox, but it has. Now coming to the number 1 in our list, we have the Zebronic ZEP Transformer K. So as I was saying, the last one was the version 2 of this one. But why did I choose this? This one actually is tried and tested. This is out there in the market for a long time. This works very fine, and some of my friends have this. This is a beast. They are using this constantly, like pounding it for their gaming needs and all those things, and they have been using this for 5 to 6 years, and this has no problems at all. I've seen this in the worst condition. It's like never clean, dust in the keycaps, and it works fine. It works perfect, and that's the reason, because this is tried and tested. This is a classic. That's why I put it at number 1. Let us go through the features of this. Again, this is again full metal body, but by metal, again the same thing. The top part of this is metal. The last one was black, but this has a bit of a metallic finish, brushed metal look to that. Yeah, aluminum body, as they're saying. They have multimedia keys. On the top row is entirely multimedia keys. Again, Windows lock, as I said, this is very important. Braided cable, again, personally I don't care if it's a braided or not, doesn't matter that much. It's just another gimmick. It looks good, but if it's not well made, the braided threads might come out, and I've seen that in some company, some keyboards, and it looks really ugly. And yeah, gaming experience, let's go down and see what else they have said. A gaming keyboard, aluminum braided, power requirement strokes 80 million keystrokes. That's a lot. If you remember, the EvoFox had 10 million keystrokes, and this is 80 million times. So that means it's almost 8 times. And again, that's another reason I put it at number 1. So that's it, guys. Do tell me in the comment section below what you think about this. If you want to see any other keyboards which you might have wanted in this list, and I hope you liked it. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.